Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I want to talk about the SolSqueezer bot. I found this bot very interesting. I'm using it very often, and I decided to make a specifically dedicated video about this one because I found it that some of you guys might already know it, okay? But you never know. You might find out some additional functionalities while watching my video. For other ones, if you don't know this bot, I think you should definitely go and try it, okay? It's very helpful in finding the great wallets, okay, where you can go and start, for example, copy trade them. You can analyze different tools, and also you can go ahead and just do some research regarding the particular wallets, right? So, guys, first and foremost, okay, this is not a financial advice. Whatever I say, it's only for educational purposes. So do your own research, right? Okay, so let's start it, right? Introducing SolSqueezer. This is their GitHub page. Okay, I highly encourage you go ahead and just go and read it through. Okay, to familiarize yourself with all those settings. Okay, and there are plenty of settings where you can go ahead and choose the way you prefer. Okay, and before you start to using this bot, you might want to go ahead and check this GitHub page first because they are full of information. Okay, and I'm pretty sure if you stuck on some stage, you definitely want to go and read it through, or if you need it, their guys are there they are very helpful. If you go and click on this, have a question or need help, please message this fella here. He's very helpful, okay, always responding in a matter of seconds, if not minutes, okay, if he's around. So definitely any questions regarding this bot, you can go and talk to to him, and he will help you out, okay? So what this SolSqueezer is, okay? So introducing SolSqueezer, your go-to tool for in-depth wallet and token analysis across various blockchains, including Solana, Base, Ethereum, and BSC, okay? SolSqueezer allows you to obtain detailed information about any wallet and token in convenient format. Okay, and that's the format actually they presented it in. Okay, I won't be ready through all those obviously GitHub informations because you can do it yourself, but I will go into the bot straight away, and I will be just showing you one by one what can be achieved with this one, right? So let's go. Once you click on the menu, you go to start, okay, and will automatically this interface will pop up where you can see, okay, this is a SolSqueezer, okay, welcome, premium active, okay. There is also a premium version there of this tool, which I will be showing you in a minute. Okay, so what you can do here, you can send a wallet address to analyze trending statistics. You can scan up to 100 wallets in one request. You can set flexible filters for mass scans. You can get best traders and on a token via sending this DEX screener, GN, and also PubFan, okay, URLs. That's very handy. And also you can scan found wallets automatically. Okay, so if you go to this how to use that bot, it will redirect you to this GitHub page I just showed you a minute ago. Okay, so anytime you start, you just remember, go to menu, you can start, and you can go and click on to how to use it. Okay, if you have any more like in-depth issue or some sort of in-depth question, as I said, you can go ahead and click on help, and the admins will help you out, no problem, right? So what you also can do with it, okay, automatically, you can go and you can start do the copy trading by doing that on a dbot, okay, Sol Trading Bot. So you can do, and you can go to dashboard and bind your account to use all features like auto sniper, copy trading, limit order, wallet management, trade alerts. Okay, so that's what you can do with this. If you go to dbot, okay, this is the official site of the dbot, and dbot is actually is compatible with SolSqueezer bot. It's very handy, right? You also can use, if you prefer, you can use TradeWiz, okay, and that TradeWiz bot will automatically, you can link that with the SolSqueezer bot, okay, which is also very handy. Okay, there is also their channel, okay, if you want to go and chat with them, okay, I ask you any questions, have a discussion, or you see for any sort of announcements coming from SolSqueezer, I highly also encourage you to go and join their SolSqueezer page, okay, a Telegram page. You will see everything there, and also there are backups available, okay. So sometimes the SolSqueezer bot, this is a bot number one, might have some issues, okay. Obviously you never know when it might happen. Might not happen very often, but from time to time. But doesn't mean that it's gonna stop you from using it, okay, because you got a backups, right. You got a SolSqueezer bot 2, and also alongside with the SolSqueezer bot 3, you can use all those three SolSqueezer bots, okay. If one fails, you can go and jump into another. All right, so, and also I think that's all what I covered on in this section, right? So okay, we got this one all the way. Okay, settings. We can go ahead and do some settings, right? So let's say that you want to make settings specifically. You like to use the bot specific way, okay? Like for example, you can use you can choose the AVMs, right? But that's something which is currently disabled, so I'm pretty sure that this is only temporary, but you can definitely go and use it okay, on some stage. All right, then you can start using for example, you're only interested in pump fund trades, right? That's what you're gonna go and click it on. Okay, you can exclude sold like or bought trades, okay. Exclude outstanding P&L trades, okay, related wallets, signal checks, okay, win rate realize only, okay. You can trade a period, okay. You can stick to 7 days trace period, 14, 30 or max, right. You can token analyze a batch request, okay, personal auto scan, okay. That's all what you can do here under this settings section. All right, so if you know what you really want from out of this bot, you definitely go ahead and do your own you just make these settings the way you prefer, okay. Now, okay, so we got start, we got help. Now referrals, obviously, if you know that you might want somebody else to join this this bot, you can go and click create your referral link. I'll be leaving my referral link inside the description of this video, so if you guys want to click on it, obviously you will receive I will receive some sort of a small commission if you decide to start using this bot on a pro version, okay. So then next step is you can analyze tokens, okay. So you can get the best traders on a particular coin, right. So let's go and click on this analyze tokens. All right, so to get all buyers from a token, use the following format. So you can the format like that, okay. To get the top traders and holders from a token, use the following format. All right, it's the format, definitely it's everything is explained line by line how to use it, okay. For top traders, okay, and holders analyze, you can send GMGN links. Okay, let me see, why is that? Where is this thing? Okay, that's no problem. Okay, suddenly disappeared, but don't worry, let's go back to this one. Okay, so for top traders and holders analyze, you can send GMGN links as well as like this one, okay. So maximum 5 tokens allowed in one request, right? So let's say that we got a token, any token, okay. Let's go to GMGN. There's a few tokens. Let's say that we want to analyze this one, all right. Swarms, right. 81 days, right. Many people who actually following this those type of meme coins work, they probably, you already guys heard about the swarms, right. But let's say that we want to analyze this one, okay. What we need to do, we just need to go and copy the address, okay, the whole URL address of GMGN. You don't even have to go and find the wallet address. You might, but you can go and copy the URL. You go back to SolSqueezer and you paste in that one here, right. See how it's automatically knows what you are talking about, this warrants, all right, how much it's costing you and everything else. So now let's click on it and wait for a second, and this will actually perform a full full analysis of this token for us. All right, there we go. It only took about a second. So once we clicked on this format, Excel format, okay, you just need to click on it, and once you click on it, you will be redirected to the file looking like that, okay. and this file is actually showing all the informations which relates to this particular coin. Okay, all those informations are here, like a buy, sells, buy summary, sell summary, left positions, UK, and traders, right? So that's very handy. But also, what you can do inside the SolSqueezer bot, you can analyze top 100 traders, you can analyze 99 top holders, right? And analyze all found wallets, which is 199. So let's say that we want to analyze 100 top traders. Once we click on it, okay, it's actually analyzing that for us. Look how quickly it happened, okay, in a matter of a second, right? Again, what you can do, you can click on this icon here, and you can download it in an Excel format, or you can go ahead and just go and read it on the SolSqueezer bot, all the information which you might find valuable. Okay, you can see each and every wallet has their own Excel format. Okay, so Excel is it's something which is pre-built inside each and every wallet, okay, which means that you can go ahead, download it into your computer, okay, and do whatever you need to do with it, right? You can do some in-depth analysis, right? But also, if you don't want to do it, you can read it through on the SolSqueezer bot, the way like it shows over here, right? All those informations will be available for you. For example, here this particular wallet has a balance of just over half a sol. Okay, trades period, median trades, durations. Okay, everything what's going on with this one. This one is not particularly very much in use, but still it's showing you what's going on there. Okay, that's something which you definitely go and you can extract from this from using this particular tool, right? So for example, this old wallet is more in use, like, okay, so you got like a balance. It's over 3 sols. Okay, trades period 6 days, last trades 3 hours ago, median trades duration 12 minutes, average trades per day 2.2. okay, so average trades by sellers 28.2, 16.3, average buy size just about 0.2, so median first buy max cap 10k. Those informations are very interesting, okay, and very helpful for you guys if you want to make a decision. Let's say, guys, that you decided that some of those wallets you find on SolSqueezer bot is actually interesting, and you want to start doing some sort of copy trading on them. Okay, so that's how you actually go. You can go and establish if what some of those wallets worth of copy trading. Okay, those informations are being presented here for you, right? So next step would be we can copy trade monitor. Okay, let's go and click on this. All right, so copy trade monitor, easily manage and track your copied wallets, right? So you can wallet pairs mode, ideal choice if you create a separate wallets for each copy trade target. Compare wallets side by side. Copy target wallet pairs are placed in separate tabs with a single Excel file, okay? And also you can multiply wallets in batch mode, okay? Perfect option if you execute do multiple copy trades task from a single wallet, all right? So this is what you can do. You can go and add pair. If you add pair, you enter the pair details in the following format, and you have to follow this format to actually go and start making those pairs, right? So that's how you can do it this way, right? Now the other thing is you can copy trade copy trade. Okay, so let's go and click on copy trade with dbot. Okay, remember guys, I showed you that the dbot it's there. You can start either you can start using it, right? And you can also use the trade with, okay, and also Trajan and Maestro. Okay, so everything is built in SolSqueezer bot. If you decided that some of those wallets you want to start copy trading, you definitely can go and start doing that. All right, now check copy trades, super batch. All right, once we click on the super batch is something special. Okay, super batches allows you to scan up to 50,000 wallets from a text file. Or let's say that you have you found 50,000 wallets, up to 50,000 wallets, right? But 1,000, 100, okay, 200 wallets, okay. let's say that you are part of the group, like on the Discord, on Telegram, somebody share with you some wallets, right? And you want to go and analyze them. All right. So what you can do with the SolSqueezer bot, you can use this text file up to 50,000 wallets, and you can paste it in here inside the SolSqueezer bot, and that bot will analyze that file for you, right? However, this option is available only for a pro subscription plan. Okay, for the price of that plan is 1.5 Sol. All right, and you can pay the difference between your current subscription and the pro subscription to get access to the feature. Okay, so if you got any subscription, okay, let's say that you want to go ahead, you can go and start. You can pay with Solana, USDC, USDT on TRC20, USDT on BSC. Right, that's what you can do. So this is very interesting. Okay, so that's super batch. Also migrated tokens, so you can get all migrated bound fund tokens from last 24 hours, right? So let's go click on it. Okay, and migrations min, choose period of time for migrations: 6 hours, 12 hours, 24 hours, 48 hours. Let's say that we want to go and click on this 12 hours. Okay, it's start processing for us. Okay, 100%. And if you want to go ahead and start checking them out, now it has been processed in a matter of a couple of seconds. Okay, so this is a text file here for you guys. If you want, just to click on it and everything gets there. And so this migrations in the last 24 hours will be available here for you on that inside that text file, right? So now, what else do we want to go ahead? Backup bots in case of slowdown. Okay, that's what I already told you. Find wallets by program ID. Okay, that's also what you can do. Okay, no program ID at the moment here on this one. Okay, but you can definitely do it here. Okay, and settings. I think I already covered settings for you, right? I think, guys, that's all what I want to cover in this video. Okay, I think SolSqueezer bot is an amazing tool for anyone who wants to know more about the particular wallets, particular Memecoins, particular tokens. You actually are trying to explore more information about those. Okay, this tool is giving you all the information you might need to make an informed decision. If you want, for example, to buy into that token, or for example, if you want to go and start copy trading particular wallet, right? So this is a crucial tool for people who actually need those type of information, those type of analysis. Remember, if you want to go and start using SolSqueezer bot, you can definitely start for free. Okay, and if you decided that you want to start an upgrade, okay, there are options for you to start upgrading it. Okay, and if you want to start paying for the bot, I think that you can start using that bot for 0.75 so for 10 days. Okay, but you definitely can go and start using it for free, right? But if you want to pay for it, the options will be there for you. Okay, guys, I will be leaving the link to this SolSqueezer board inside the description of this video. If you like it, please hit the like button. Any questions, leave it down below. If you can subscribe to my channel, it will be much appreciated. Thank you very much for watching.